This is a quick review of the joint head unit for the third generation Honda CRV. This particular one is installed in a 2008 Honda CRV. So I just want to go over briefly some of the features of this unit. One thing I like about this one is that it has a physical volume knob to lower and raise the volume. You can also use it to as you can see, you can raise the volume here, and obviously you can use the steering wheel controls. So this unit obviously has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I'll be demonstrating briefly Android Auto because that's what I have, an Android cell phone. So once you pair the cell phone with a unit via Bluetooth, if you install the USB cable, you can also plug it in via USB cable and it'll automatically do the pairing for you. So you launch into the apps and you will find the T-Link app. I already launched the Android Auto, and that's why you see this here. And obviously once you are in either Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, you will get a similar interface where you can access Google Map. For example, this is Google Map. You can also play music, as you can see, just briefly, not for long because and actually the sound quality is very good. I like it. This is a plug and play head unit, so there is very little to none wiring that you need to do. So originally when this unit I purchased it, it did not come with the wire harness for the factory subwoofer. This particular Honda CRV has a factory subwoofer underneath the underneath the passenger front seat. And so I reached out to join, and after a few weeks they reached out to me. I was able to figure out the wiring on my own, but they reached out to me later on because they were interested on adding the harness to make a true plug and play system, and I thought that was actually very cool of them to do that. So I worked with them a little bit, gave them some information. They sent me another unit to test with the harness for the subwoofer, and everything is good now. So if you buy this unit, I almost guarantee that it will have the harness for the factory subwoofer. If you happen to purchase one it doesn't come with, reach out to join support. They will definitely get it to you. So just briefly some of the things with Android Auto here. Obviously you can get phone calls. So these are some of the apps on your phone, contacts, WhatsApp, some of those things. Obviously this is not unique to this head unit. I'm sure there are other Android head units that do the similar Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This one does both wireless. Right now this is wireless and wired, which I think is very good. It comes with the external headphone that you can mount this one particular over here. And I recommend that if you purchase this unit, run the microphone, so that way you get a very better call quality audio when you're talking to people. When you get a phone call, you can answer the call via the steering wheel control, like using the channel up and channel down button on the steering wheel. Some of the other features of the unit that I like is that if you purchase the joint backup camera and the dash cam, I believe they call it the AR cam, there is an app over here, and they provided a port on the back of the head unit that you can connect the cameras, and will basically power the camera for you. You don't have to like power the camera using the reverse light. And you can usually actually use the camera and set it to record, like to record the front and the rear camera. And let me see if I can find that for you here and show you briefly. There is an app here called AR camera. Right now this vehicle only is equipped with the rear camera, but if you see by pressing here, I can view the rear camera. So basically, if you purchase the kit that comes with the dash cam, you can wire it in, and you can connect with either a SD card or a USB storage on the back of the unit, and you can configure the head unit to basically record and use the dash cam and the rear camera, and it will record into those devices. And later on, you can view the recording directly from the head unit. I believe that's one of the good things about this head unit. You also get let me see if I can find it. So on the sound here, you have some options. For example, you can change the gain of the microphone if you want the microphone to be more sensible or sensible to the external noises. You can lower or raise this. Some other settings over here for controlling certain things of the vehicle. Radar, parking radar. I believe this is if you have backup sensors and things like this. You can change the this button here, the color that they light up. Those can be changed. Okay, this unit also has a equalizer, and you get a lot of flexibility here in how you can configure it. I believe you can set the equalizer by channel specifically. If you see here this button, it says link channel. You can also set equalization for individual channel, which is very good, and you get a full graph equalizer here. If you see, you have options here for setting the fade and those type of things. Different presets. This is for like time alignments and things like this. More advanced features, crossovers. It looks like you can set this individually, by channels, which is very good. The interface, I like it. I found it easy to use. So I think anybody will be more than happy with purchasing this unit. There are other head units in the market for this vehicle. I found this to be, from the one I've seen, the better unit. The build quality, this unit feels very premium. It is the only one I've seen that has a volume control, at least with this type of design. I believe there are other head units that have like some physical button here on the side, but then the screen will be smaller. I haven't tested any of those, so I wouldn't be able to talk about how good or bad those are. Another thing you can do with this head unit is like you can play videos. For example, if you have Netflix, there is Netflix app, you can watch a movie. You can also watch videos in YouTube. This is just a video that's preloaded there, but just you can see how good the video quality is. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit for now. In my opinion, it is good. If you like it, I don't think you can go wrong with it. In my opinion, it is the more polished out of all the head units for this specific vehicle, and the sound and ease of installation, I think, is worth the price. Thank you.